Short sentences for kids. How are you? How are you? I don't know. I don't know. Call me back. Call me back. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I have no idea. I have no idea. No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. How's it going? How's it going? Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Don't worry. Don't worry. How old are you? How old are you? It's okay. It's okay. I am busy. I am busy. I am sorry. I am sorry. Be careful. Be careful. It was really good. It was really good. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I agree. I agree. See you. See you. God bless you. God bless you. I do not understand. I do not understand. It really takes time. It really takes time. What is your name? What is your name? How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? I am not really sure. I am not really sure. You inspire me. You inspire me. Are you there? Are you there? What's for lunch today? What's for lunch today? I need a little help. I need a little help. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. I am afraid you are right. I am afraid you are right. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I feel much better. I feel much better. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. You are everything to me. You are everything to me. How dare you say that? How dare you say that? Keep it there. Keep it there. I am very grateful to you. I am very grateful to you. You are everything to me. You are everything to me. I have no idea. I have no idea. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? I am happy about this. I am happy about this. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Nothing special. Nothing special. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Please say something. Please say something. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Keeps it under wraps. Keeps it under wraps. Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone. Tell me how it works. Tell me how it works. It was nice to talk with you. It was nice to talk with you. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. It's really taking time. It's really taking time. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Choose whatever you want. Choose whatever you want. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet. I am really well. I am really well. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. You are so adorable. You are so adorable. It's none of my business. It's none of my business. I feel much better. I feel much better. It is none of your business. It is none of your business. How's your family? How's your family? No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. It's very thoughtful for you. It's very thoughtful for you. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Listen to your elders. Listen to your elders. It is not true. It is not true. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. What is happening here? What is happening here? Please say something. Please say something. Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time. I am slightly hungry. I am slightly hungry. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, not at all. No, not at all. What's the matter? What's the matter? Don't be so excited. Don't be so excited. Have some patience. Have some patience. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I am very familiar with him. I am very familiar with him. I shall welcome to guest. I shall welcome to guest. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. Think as you like. Think as you like. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. May I go out, please? May I go out, please? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again?